I think it keeps... So we're off to Ikea! We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Pull the gases. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an Ikea vlog. The reason why I'm going to Ikea is because I just sold my old dresser. Why? Because I wanted to change it up and it was too big for my room. So I will insert my old dresser right now. So yeah, it was way too big. It took up too much space and I'm about to get a smaller one. I will show you a montage of me putting it together and how it looks at the end. So if you love Ikea and you love vlogs as much as I do, I think I think you should keep watching. Honestly, I don't know how YouTubers do this. If it falls, I'll catch it. Ew. Come on, pull the gases. So we're off to Ikea.
Hi guys, love Ikea. Mariya, very handy girl.
Did you hear what you said? I love Ikea, Mariya.
Yes, she does. All assembling by herself. She assembled her bed. She assembled her dresser. She assembled her desk. She assembled whatever you gonna buy in Ikea. She can do it for you. Not for free, but she does very good job. Ask her, she can help. You're gonna spend a little bit of money for her time and her professionalism.
Thank you for the self-promo.
You are welcome, it's true.
Been going on, you've been creeping around on.
That's what I wish that I could do to you. Because I'm sick for your love. Wish I could hurt you.
Looks like she's sitting in the toilet.
Stop. Oh my god.
To you.
It's not bad.
By the way, we're going to the Burlington Ikea because
It's the closer one.
it's the best one.
The best one.
We're here. Woo! Ikea. Okay, peace out. See you inside. This is our first product that we're getting. It's this coffee table. So this is my dresser that I'm about to get. But they don't have the glass that comes on top, which sucks because that's how I kept my other dresser in good condition, but we'll make it work. It's okay. We just got 4 of these puppies to keep me more organized, you know what I'm saying? We got a lot, but as long as I'm organized, it's good. We're pretty hangry right now. Just kidding, we're not hangry.
They are pretty and hungry.
You heard it here first. Ikea always has the best food. I'm gonna get this one. Ready? Zooming in. Yeah. So wait. She's hangry, but she got salmon and fried vegetables. And I don't know what that is, but you know. What is it?
Some vegetables, something.
And then I got the fish and chips, I guess you could call it. And then this salad, which is delish. It's just yogurt and it looks really good. We're done. Fun fact, if you didn't know, all IKEA things are made in Sweden. And then they bring it to us. So that's why
Distribute all around
there's
the
a
world.
Sweden, like what?
Distribute all around the world.
They distribute it
stores
all around the
everywhere.
world. Yeah, even Ukraine. It's really small in Ukraine, but it's there. History with Mariya. So the plan right now, we're going to the warehouse. So this is one. I'm a gymnast. Okay. This is we're going with darker. This is the same color. I'm gonna take this one. Not that it matters. Okay. My grandma's calling me.
Hello.
So yeah, I'm just chilling in this one of these sections, you know, waiting for my mother to come back. We got all our stuff. There's the first cart and that one's the second cart. So we're pretty loaded because when you come to Ikea, you leave with like 10 more things that you don't need, but like we need these things, so we were pretty good this time. We had a list. Also, if you've never been to Ikea, I recommend it, and I couldn't like walk and vlog because there's so many people here because it's a Saturday. Yes, she got my mug. Yes, thank you. Make a montage of me building my dresser, and I will show you how it looks at the end. And woo, success!
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. Highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough. Somewhere along the lines, we stopped seeing eye to eye. You were staying out all night, and I had enough.
A little late.
No, I don't wanna know where you've been or where you're going. I know I won't be home, and you'll be on your own. Walk you through the dark side of the morning. Who's gonna walk you in the sun? Won't let you sleep. Who's waking up?
We're gonna stop at this wall, and it's so colorful, and I'm gonna get some pics.
I don't know.
No! There's the wall! Yes! Yes! Where is it? Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god, I literally love this wall. I literally almost fell, but it's okay. It's okay. We got some great pics. It's so pretty.
There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's your soul, but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it. No, it's my heart. Your shit out of your love. Don't make me tell you again. Woo! Love, love, love.
Hey,
Love, 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 love.
I do it for love.
Love, love, love.
Do it for. Yeah, do it for. Do it for. I do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes it's true. And I'm so blessed to be fulfilling my destiny. All material things could mean less to me. Only thing I ever could need is a Sarah B sample with a dope ass beat. And get the mic check, all the levels right. And if it's good then I'll be here for several nights. Cause the only thing I need is a strong supporting team. The most important thing that helps supporting my dream. And I can't forget my family, helping keep my sanity. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand for me. I do it for love. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand for me. I do it for love. Yeah, I do as I can only do me. That's all I know. Dodge the difficulties and take life slow. And if I ever slow up, you know I always show up. It's still the same on me, even if I blow up. Love is what I do it for. Love is why I'm rapping. Love is the main reason for how all this happened. Love for all my fans, love for all the shows. Got love for all my memories, no matter where I go. Even if I'm out to nothing, I know there's always something. It's not a fitness test, but it'll always keep me running. One good thing about music, when it hits you feel no pain. So I keep it close to me, make sure it never goes away. From the start, I knew it in my heart. If I made one person happy, then I know I did my part. Now, if I stay into it, when people dig the music I put on for my cities, and know I always do it for love. Yeah, I put on for my cities, and know I always do it for love. I do it for love. What you do it for? Do it for. I do it for love, for love, for love, for love, for love. I do it for love. I do it for love. Love with the game. No flashing. I do it for love. I do it for love. Love with the game.
Thank you you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this IKEA vlog. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys want to see a room tour from me. Also, I wanted to say thank you so much for the warm welcome and all the positivity I've been getting. It means a lot when you just start YouTube, so thank you so much for all the positive people out there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodles!